Hello everyone, in this tutorial we will see how we can install Python in our PC like Windows 11 or Windows 10 and how we can run Python code in PyCharm. So let's see. At first we will go to any browser and type Python download. Now go to download Python. So we will download the latest version Python 3.14.3. So I already downloaded this. So now we will click install. So we click there. We will click install now. Don't click custom installation. So Python is installing. So before the install complete, I want to see this thing. If we write here Python -- version, see our terminal. So we don't have installed any Python yet. So close. So after completing that, we see there a Python version. So let's wait. It will take a little bit time. So yes, our Python is installed. So now we will close this. Now we will check if Python install was successfully complete or not. We will come to our command prompt that called terminal. See, we will found a Python version here. So our Python is installed successfully. Now we will see how we can run Python code in PyCharm. PyCharm is a code editor that can run Python code. I especially use VS Code to run Python code because I like that. But I will show how to run PyCharm and run the Python code. So yeah, in the first link we click here. So PyCharm download. So it will start downloading. It will take some time. I have already downloaded it. So let's click and install. So yes, next. Required space 3.2. This is huge. We will click here. So it will take much time. So let's wait. So guys, see our PyCharm is installed successfully. Now we can run a Python code here. I don't know, PyCharm is work fine with low configuration PC because it will take 3 GB plus, that's app size. So if we have a second hand laptop, please ensure that. Hello, skip import. Okay, so welcome to PyCharm. So we will open a folder. I created, instead of creating a new folder, I select use folder. So yes, this is our new folder, and we will create our own new Python file, name হচ্ছে hi. So we created hi.py. Hi. So we will run this. Look, এই যে we run the main py, not the current file. Now current file, this is hi world. So I know this, but first I made the mistake, then I show this how this will work. So now how will hi world. So there is also AI, I don't know. So now we will run this. We see 3 hi world. So run. Look, 3 hi world. So it is important to show here current file, not main file. I hope you will understand. So this is how you can run PyCharm. You can run Python code in PyCharm. So I hope this tutorial will help you. If the video helps you, please like, subscribe and comment. Goodbye guys.